Starlink uses the world's most advanced satellite technology to deliver high-speed, low-latency internet all over the world. Traditional satellite internet services rely on single geostationary satellites that orbit at a far distance, leading to high latency and unreliable connection. By leveraging the world's largest satellite constellation using a low Earth orbit, Starlink can support streaming, online gaming, video calls, and more. When your Starlink kit arrives, it'll include everything you need to connect to the internet. You will need a clear view of the sky in order to stay linked to the satellite network. Starlink can withstand extreme cold, heat, hail, sleet, heavy rain, and gale force winds. Once your Starlink has found a satellite connection, you're ready to connect.